Hello friend, good morning. Today we are going to analyze Bank Nifty and today's date is about 11th of August, which is a Sunday. So I'm analyzing the Bank Nifty which closed on Friday. So Monday being a holiday, uh, we are getting an additional one day where option premiums might drop. So let's get started. Let's look at this Bank Nifty chart. This is a daily chart and I have my 20 period moving average and 200 period moving average. 20 period moving average is in red and 200 period moving average in the blue color, as you can see. So let me help you by zooming this a little bit. So in this you can see that Bank Nifty, after going below 200, it is in a state where it's very undecisive state and we don't know which direction it's going, but the candle which closed on Friday is definitely a bullish candle, but as you can see the trend is still down. There is a super trend indicator which says that the candle which closed above 200 moving average, so the trend is still down, but we have to wait for one more candle which is on Tuesday. If as per my expectation, the candle might cross the super trend in the open itself. If it doesn't, then definitely we are not going to sustain there. The market is going to come down from this levels. So this is on a daily chart. Let's look at the weekly chart. See, on a weekly basis you can see the trend is changed. It has broken the super trend and the price is below the 20 period moving average, and it is way far from the 200 period moving average. So on a weekly basis, if it starts dropping and there is no reversal, then this 200 period moving average will be the target for this drop. And let's look at monthly candle. Monthly, it's still in uptrend and the candle is showing as a bottoming tail candle, and you can see I've marked the level in which Bank Nifty has spent most of the time consolidating. So Bank Nifty has been in this range for about like 10 to 12 months in the last year, and since this is a monthly candle, you can see that super trend is still intact and it is bouncing from this 20 period moving average. So it's a positive sign. If this closes like this, I'm sure definitely next month will be an upside. So there is high possibility that looking at the monthly chart, Bank Nifty might reverse and start going up. It all depends on our Tuesday daily candle. So let's go to daily and let's look at 1 hour candle on that daily chart. So what did the 1 hour candle do? Okay, there is some problem here, maybe the network. Okay, let's look at the 15-minute chart on the Friday itself. So on 15 minutes chart on Friday, you can see it opened bullish, it went up, and at around 2:15 it broke the trend and the trend has reversed. So there is a possibility that it can close the gap between this and the 20 period moving average, because there is a rule in the market that the stock will not stay away from the 20 period moving average. It always snaps back to 20 period moving average and takes a bounce or goes forward and goes down. If it goes down, then you can be sure shot to that market is going to go down from that level. So you get a short entry there. But I will still wait. Let's see if it can also do a gap down on Tuesday and then bounce from this 20 period moving average, or if the market conditions are so weak, then it can drop. So this is how we analyze on different time frames. You have to always look at the charts from multiple time frames, which is weekly, daily, monthly, and you have a broader view, and then go and fine tune your daily chart with 15 minutes, 1 hour, and then the trade execution time, whichever you use, either it can be 15 minutes or 5 minutes, you can make your decisions basis those charts. But first you need to have a broader view of the market, which is still undecisive. It can go anyways, so you have to wait for one more confirmation, like there has to be candle closing above super trend, there has to be a green candle, or there can be a red candle which can drop off from the bottom of the candle which formed on Friday. So let's wait, friends. And this is my first video on Bank Nifty analysis. I will keep posting more such videos, and if you like this, please do leave your comments and likes. Thank you so much for watching.